Hey guys, my name is Chris. I graduated from St. A's in 2012 and I'm currently a software engineer at Facebook. I started my university career in mechatronics engineering at the University of Waterloo. Halfway through second year, I switched into software engineering and I graduated in 2018. Some of the best ways you can do to prepare for a career in software engineering is to learn coding fundamentals like data structures and algorithms. You can also practice building real projects, or even gain work experience. Another important thing is figuring out if software engineering is the right thing for you. Learn what it takes to be a software engineer and see if it's something you really want to do in the future. So school prepared me for software engineering by teaching me how to work with teams and learning how to learn, because you're always learning on the job. Also, it taught me how to manage my time and prioritize. Some attributes of successful engineers are they work hard and they have a lot of perseverance and grit. They don't easily give up. They're also open to learning and trying different things out. Some of the best courses to prepare for software engineering is to take computer science, or CS. They should offer it every year in high school, and I definitely recommend taking it. Also, math is really important because there's a lot of abstract thinking and critical thinking that you use in math that's also applicable in software engineering. So some of the things that I like about my job is the impactful projects that you get to work on, because at Facebook, for example, our products touch hundreds of millions, if not billions of users. I enjoy the different things you do on the job, like coding, system design, collaborating with people, and just solving problems in general. We also get to work with some amazing, motivated, and talented people, and that keeps me just like motivated. So the best career decision for me was going to work at Facebook, because it's such a great culture and company. They really take care of their employees and they work on really interesting and challenging problems. Some of my greatest strengths are I'm a long-term thinker. I'm really open to feedback, new ideas, and just trying things out. And lastly, I'm transparent, honest, and straightforward. Some of the weaknesses that I have is I'm particular on how things should be done, sometimes too nitpicky, and sometimes I don't empathize with people enough, which sometimes causes confusion or conflict. So how I typically make decisions is I weigh the pros and cons, and then I ask people for feedback of what they think of my thought process. And also finally, I think about the opportunity costs of doing this decision. In school, I used to read about engineering, tech, and career. Now I read about more broad topics like how the world works and how people work and things unrelated to tech. I think some of the secrets that got me to where I am today is just being able to really focus and know what you want and go for it. Another thing is being able to set goals and understand the motivation behind these goals. I also try to remember not to forget to enjoy life, because we have limited time on this earth and it's important to not regret and make sure you're happy. Finally, yeah, being happy is the most important thing that I strive for, and everything I do ultimately is to be happier in the end. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you learned a bit about software engineering.